Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and it is Embarkation Day. It's also super windy. Hopefully you can hear us at all, but we have made it to the port. We are getting on the MSC Seascape, first time on MSC. So let's go drop these bags off with the porters. Let's get this day going. So you can see the MSC Seascape. She is here right next to the Royal Caribbean Terminal. Over there, that looks like Harmony of the Seas in port with us today. But we're heading over this way. So this is the parking lot here for the MSC terminal. Of course, right over there is the large parking garage. We have opted to not park in the garage. Usually too trafficy and too crowded for my personal taste. But we're gonna head over here and get ready to drop off our bags. It's a short walk across the street. I hear an alarm going off. I don't know, somebody from the parking garage, you hear it? Ooh, again, extra windy. So the alarms are still going off, but we walked up from right over there. They were right here at the elevators waiting to take our bags. Tiffany's already bag free, except for, of course, Minnie Mouse. Just a quick little look around. I mean, the port's so new that the trees still have the sticks on them, the wood to hold them up. But a quick look. So we've dropped off our bags. Now we're going to head up this direction. We are heading into the terminal. Quick look here inside. And of course, first thing we're going to do is head into the security line. They got some refreshments over here. Big MSC Seascape sign. But all right, we're going to head through security and we will catch up on the other side. So we've made it through security. So far, so good. It's pretty empty in here. I figured it would be super crowded being this early, but it's not. And now we're heading up to the second floor for boarding. Here we go, heading up to the second floor. You can see the seascape out through the glass windows. Now we got a long hallway we're heading down here now, but you can see the seascape right outside there. She is calling to us. Is she calling to you? You ready to take your first steps on board an MSC ship ever?
Yes.
Me too. Already loading the luggage up. Tiffany's looking for her Minnie Mouse bag down there to see if it's making it. So like I said, this is going super quick, but nobody was on the ship last night. So nobody had to disembark today. So we're just going straight on board, which means in theory, everything should be ready to go. Room should be ready. Not something you normally see, but it's ready for us to get on board right now. It's time for that first step. And there it is. You are officially on board the MSC Seascape. Here we go. We got some music playing. Cruise out and about. I think we got to scan in one more time. We're going to do that real quick. Yeah, here we go. We are on board the MSC Seascape. Get a quick first look at the ship. Got the crystal stairs. So we are looking for our muster station. Tiffany has got it located for us, so we're gonna. Our muster station is in the Champagne Wine Bar. So we're gonna head it up. I see the H right there. So we're heading to our cabin. We're on the Tasmania deck. All right, we're trying to figure out these hallways here. So we're looking for 10252. We are in the cabin. Give y'all a quick cabin look before we do the actual cabin tour. But we're in. They said we can drop our bags off. Bags are dropped off. We're gonna go do a little exploring, get a little bit of eating. Somebody is hungry. It's me. I'm hungry. So we are here at the elevators. We can see we are so we need to go up to deck number 16.
Yep.
All right, so let's grab an elevator. Are these smart elevators?
16. Car B. Car B.
All right,
Car B.
so you push the button and it tells you what elevator you're going to get on. It says we're going to get on B and said it should be here in about 1 minute. Well, that's interesting. So I think these are smart elevators. So the question is, when it opens, is there going to be room in it or is it full? We pushed it twice, one for each of us. But what I don't see are like any directions about the elevators. So we'll see how that goes. So far, very shiny. I can see like 6 of me in just looking around. I know you like it. 6 of me? Yeah. And it's shiny up there too. We are in the buffet. Whoa, look what I found right off the bat. I found some pizza. Pizza right off the bat. Of course, they got hamburgers, hot dogs, mushrooms, bacon, some salads.
Really good. I think it beats Carnival.
All right, so Tiffany here is trying the margarita pizza on board. Got a piece of margarita, some pepperoni. This is some kind of chili cheese pico de gallo burrito and macaroni and cheese fritters. But Tiffany here says that the pizza is beating Carnival. MSC has become #1. But quick look around the buffet. This buffet is huge. It goes around like almost the entire deck, it seems like. All right, just show you guys some more of the food that they have here on board. They had a lot to eat here in the buffet. They do have more gluten-free options here along the backside for those that have dietary restrictions. And of course, they have your staples, your burgers, your fries, your hot dogs, all along here. Got some salads, some vegetables, cheddar, tuna, your breads. Keeps on going up the side. You have some more cold cuts. All right, but it is time to check out the dessert options. A lot of options right here. Had to hit the desserts. Got a Mississippi mud pie, a cheesecake, and, well, you know, I don't know what that is, but I got it anyway because it looked really, really good. All right, lunch is over. We are heading out on, whoa. Walk right out the door into gelato.
They had a mango one.
And with a mango gelato. You got a passion fruit, a strawberry, a banana. Right here. All right, got one of the pool areas here. Now this is what Tiffany has been looking forward to the most. The Bridge of Sigh. Which, as you can see, literally is just a bridge over the back of the cruise ship. You can see all the way down to the infinity pool. I want to see if I can get Tiffany to go on it. She might not, though. Ooh, that's kind of freaky. Because, yeah, you can see straight down through your feet. Here she comes.
Yeah, you see, I'm not walking on the glass.
What, you holding on all kinds of crazy like it's going to break?
Watch behind you.
Okay, she did it. She went across the Bridge of Sigh. You proud? I'm proud of you.
Well, it's better than doing it here because then they can rush me to the hospital right away instead of out the middle of the ocean.
Oh, okay. So we got a bar. There's a bar back here. Of course, another entrance back into the marketplace. We actually had to come down a deck. We're currently on deck 16, the Bali deck. Found the Robotron up there. Tiffany said no to the Robotron, but we'll work on convincing her later. Baby, no Robotron? It only like spins you, flips you, and tosses you around. No? It's kind of like a shake and bake for people. No. Found one of the water slides here. Ooh, and I think we found the kids splash area right down through here. This looks like it would be fun for little ones. Heck, this might be fun for me. I wonder if they'd let me play in here. You got giant octopus all the way down through here. Another look at the parking garage and the top of the cruise terminal. And of course, the rooms are now available, which it was nice. They just let us drop our stuff off. So I thought they were ready earlier, honestly. This just looks too much like a rope bridge right here. Tiffany said no. She's not going to do it. I wouldn't walk on this bridge after you've enjoyed your drink package for the day. Said I wouldn't walk on that bridge after enjoying the drink package for the day. Another look at from the other side of the kids splash area. They got some couches you can sit in. That's a big old giant cruise couch. And this is Pirates Cove. Come down the deck, another look at the kids splash area. It's nice down here. Another water slide exit. Coming around to see what we can see. Somewhere up here is a jungle pool. We just got to figure out how to get to it. All right, so I found a hallway. Not sure where we're going in this hallway, but just kind of brought us back around to the other side.
Yeah, you like that.
We had to stop and get directions to find the jungle pool. It says walk around the water park, go through the door, and take a left. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, baby.
Okay.
Do you even know where you are?
No.
Okay. You want to go walk on the Bridge of Sigh again?
No.
Oh, we found the Hall of Games. Maybe we got to go through the arcade to get to the jungle pool. Because he said take a left. So we're going to go through here and see. I like the windows in here. Very colorful. Oh, I think I found the way we're supposed to go. But you know what? While we're in here, let's take a look at what else they've got. You want to race?
No.
No?
It's blocked off anyway.
I just asked if you wanted to race. I didn't say right this second. This is the Formula One simulator. And then I'm going to guess we go right out this door right here. We have actually found the jungle pool. Lots of green. At least I'm assuming that's what we have found. Boom, we are here. Quick look in the jungle pool. So this is a covered area. And oddly enough, though, there is nobody in the pool, nobody in the hot tubs. Nothing down here. All right, so we are moving around. This one was interesting to find. Like I said, you had to go through the arcade and go down the hallway to get to it, at least from this deck. I'm pretty sure there's other ways to get to it from below. But they do have games up here. You have your ping pong, your foosball, there were pool tables on the other side. So there is a bar area down here. They said it is covered.